Hello guys, welcome to I Play Crypto, a channel with honest casino reviews and everything you need to know before you register to a crypto casino. Today, we're gonna talk about Wave Crypto Casino. Let me start by saying that the Wave Crypto Casino includes many ways for you to make your deposit. You can either buy crypto with USDT, Chainsly, Kadu USDT, Mercurio, or you can deposit your own crypto. If you want though to deposit your own crypto, you have the following options: CH, CHZ, YFI, SRM, APE, AREB, AVAX, DAY Ethereum, DAY AVAX, DAY Optimism, DAY Polygon, DAY Arbitrum, MNT, CRO, AXS, ENS, BYT, BAT, SLP, 1 inch, Elgo, Euroc, Bone, Gala, Sweat, AMP, IMX, Pendle, Woo, Comp, Frax, Ton, LRS, APT, DAS, Dot, Mong, Link, Ave, Atom, Hex, SRV, Arbitrum, SRV, Ethereum, LDO, MYM, MKR, YNJ, PAXG, Magic, RLB, TUSD, Lux, GMX Apex, GMX Arbitrum, SYN, GNS, BUSD, Verse, USDC Arbitrum, USDC Ethereum, USDC Algorand, USDC AVAX, USDC BSC, USDC Optimism, USDC Polygon, USDC Solana, USDC Tron, WLD, RLP, ZEC, ZOT, FXS, SNX, GRT, SUSI, UNI, XLM, XMR, FTM, Kava, MANA, Matic Ethereum, Matic Polygon, NEAR, OP, SIB, SOL, CUI, XTZ, SAND, Pepe, QNT, RII, RNDR, USDD, WBTC AVAX, WBTC Optimism, WBTC Polygon, WBTC Ethereum, WBTC Arbitrum, WBTC Ethereum, WETH Ethereum, WTH Polygon, GAI Internal, GAI Ethereum. Way too many options, guys. I don't even know half of those. So Wave Crypto Casino offers more than 10,000 games. It includes slots, blackjack, roulette, baccarat, poker, live dealer games, sportsbook, and of course, crypto games. Among with some games of their own, we can also say that they do have a big variety of other providers, such as Avatar, Big Gaming, Pragmatic, Play and Go, and even Relax Gaming. As for the sportsbook, Wave offers a quite big selection of sport betting options, from soccer to tennis, volleyball, basketball, and many other sports to put your bets on. I've also read in many reports that Wave provides the best odds among other platforms. So if you're a sports fan, maybe this is the casino you want to play at. The site does offer a live support system, but only if you do register in the casino first. Based on that, I did my research and saw that there are a couple of complaints about the support system. The complaints imply that the answers from the support are copy paste and kinda robotic, recycling the same answers over and over again. Also, there are some other reports that state that the casino cancels your withdrawals as a method for you to play more and spend the money that you have already won. With that in mind, let's check the support system and see how it goes. Based on what I saw in my chat with the support, I saw that the answers are completely robotic. They don't have an actual person, I think, behind the chat. or at least I didn't get to a real person. The answers are robotic and you can't actually get much out of it because you ask some questions that they don't have the answer for and you don't get the answers that you need. They do provide a couple of questions based on the subject that you want to talk about to the support. But the truth is that these questions don't really help because if you want to ask something more, the support system, the robotic support system, doesn't have the answers for what you ask. That's a negative from me. I'm sorry, guys. Let's head off to the bonus part now. Wave Crypto Casino offers many bonus packages, but right now we will focus on the welcome package bonus. As we can see, it offers two welcome bonuses, one casino bonus and one sports bonus for you to choose. For the casino part, Wave offers a bonus of 150% up to 1.5 Bitcoin and 100 free spins. To get that bonus, you have to make a minimum deposit of 20 USDT and also you need to wager it 40 times before you can make any withdrawal. For the sports bonus, you get a 100% bonus up to 1 Bitcoin and you have to place your bets to unlock the full amount of the bonus. Brave Crypto Casino is under the license of Costa Rica and accepts players from 240 countries. Players from Belarus, Curaçao, Estonia, Israel, Latvia, Lithuania, United Kingdom, United States of America, Cyprus, France, and Netherlands are prohibited from playing real money wagering games at Wave Casino. Also, if you're from Russia, you need to know that any kind of sports betting or live betting is strictly prohibited as well. All in all, I think that Wave Crypto Casino is a very nice site for gambling enthusiasts. It supports way too many cryptocurrency and gives you the opportunity to buy crypto as well. Also, the site has a big collection of games and you can enjoy yourself as well as you can place your bets and have the best odds among the other sites. But you should keep in mind the complaints about the method they use to make you spend the money that you have already won in this casino. Until next time, stay tuned to I Play Crypto in order to find out more about crypto casinos with us. See you guys.